Yo, 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 welcome back, guys. Um, Let me try to make it brighter. Oh shit, I passed it. Alright, okay, that did not help whatsoever. But you can see the background anyway. Anyway, um, it's currently Wednesday, man. Third day into our actual combine, and things are going great. Today, or yesterday, was a little rough, but we've bounced back today, and that's all that matters. It might be a little too dark. Yeah, it might be. Um, what if I can like? Sorry, I'm really bad at this. Let's do that. Let's bring this here. Anyway, you don't really need to see me anyway. But yesterday was a little rough. I'm not gonna lie. We lost a lot yesterday. Um, but we bounced back, and that's all that matters. I don't know if I can click on. Yeah, there we go. So this was yesterday's um performance. We bounced back barely and left ourselves at $381 around this time. Uh, but we still ended off on green. Uh, it was mostly mechanic issues and psychological issues, which I should have just been aware of, like just keep calm like I've been. And today I managed to do that. And being aware today was absolutely on point. So I'm just gonna show really quick. I'm really proud of this trade actually. If it was an XFA, I could have made a lot of money, but hey, that time will come very soon. Um, this is something I would have traded right here. So anyway, so let's get to it. Around pre-market or prep bias and pre-market, I had a bearish SMT, and then 5 minute inverse for value gap, and then 5 minute bearish for value gap. And initially bias was bearish, but upon like pre-market, as you can see, it got invalidated and everything flipped. So my entire bias was flipped due to the market price action. I did not flip it. The market flipped it for me, and I just went with it. Always trust your strategy, trust your setups. So I flipped it as well. As you can see, I changed it just to keep in mind. And yeah, we also have like high time frame bullish imbalances from the low, including liquidity zones. That's all in 5 minute though, as you can see that I could mark out. And then carrying on to 1 minute. Here's a market open. I did wait for a bit, so it was right here. I got my first trade win. And then my second one was like around right here, and we set it here. Um, and stop loss is always like, I always set my stop loss on a reasonable spot. I could have kept going today, as you guys can see. I could have kept going. News definitely pushed it even higher. S&P is finally following, as you can see. Pod market open, we did have this fall down, but created some sort of bullish SMT, I think. Um, yeah, but I guess it was like bullish SMT on S&P and then bearish SMT on NASDAQ, but that totally doesn't matter with the bullish bias I had from NASDAQ. But anyway, following into it, yeah, you can see where I took my trades. Yeah, it looks good. It doesn't look bad or anything. Around here was a little scary, but I had to continue to trust myself that nothing would happen, as in like nothing bad would happen. So um, I could have just set my TP like this, but I have all these lines, these purple lines, for a reason, which is where like it's more like safety points for me. Um, Cause like, if I didn't have these lines, and then I would just fucking full port the thing, but uh, I'd be cautious. But anyway, yeah, you guys can see up here, my profit, my realized profit for the day is $914, and you've already seen my stats. We're up for the week, let alone the month so far. But that doesn't even mean anything. The week matters because I'm trying to pass it within a week. So we have $1,864.80 so far. Um, I believe if I do 3,000 minus 1,864.80. So, yeah, I still need to make $1,135. Um, that doesn't sound too bad. I've already locked myself out, so I'm not stressing, you know. Either way, $1,135 is like you could do that in one trade. As you can see, I could have done that today, but I wanted to play it careful. I still have 2 days left actually. I still have Thursday and Friday because it's Wednesday. So if I do divided by two, all I have to do is make $567.06 tomorrow and then Friday as well, which should be easy. Today I was gonna go for $680 something, but market price action, order flow, bias, everything just gave me the advantage, and I just executed it. You know, you just gotta take that chance. Um, but yeah, so we're up on the fucking week. We're up so far. We're doing great. Just how to really like strengthen myself today. How to stay calm. I played some jazz music while I was working, and definitely calm. Took deep breaths while everything was happening. Kept reminding myself internally to respect the strategy, stick to the strategy, stick to the rules, and you'll be great. It's easy to get paralysis and think like you know, I had a bearish bias, and it's easy to like be like, oh well, we're still bearish because just because, you know, price action flipped it doesn't mean anything. But you got to go with the flow. You got to be able to adjust, and today definitely showed that. But these are my trade journal entries. They're gonna be rather short because they're not assessment or anything. You guys already know how I do it. Uh, Stay disciplined. You know, just work hard. I don't know if we're reaching that zone again though. See, 1 hour order block. Um, but anyway, I do believe yesterday I think I was right, or the other day or something like that. I was right about something the other day. Okay, here we go. I think it was on Monday I was correct where we reached this high, and as we did, we fell short because I was liquidity, and I was right. We reached this high again. Yesterday's bearish bias was crazy, messed up a little bit, you know, because of mechanic issues. I'm still getting used to this, so that's fine. But I made it all back. Just had to lock in, uh, so that's perfectly fine. Tomorrow is Thursday, and then we have Friday this week still, so we have 2 more days left. But I've been trading at home, so it's been easy because I can just use my monitors at my wish and will. But I'm gonna be at work tomorrow and Friday, so I'm gonna be just on the laptop. I might have to really lock in. Today I'll definitely go buy a Bluetooth mouse because I definitely need one. But yeah, I'm gonna be at work. My laptop screen's not that big. It's like 12 inches. Um, so it's like I can't see nothing compared to 27 inches and 24 on each left and right. But anyway, I don't need to make this longer than I need to. You guys seen it. We did good today. I locked myself out, as you guys saw. Got to stay disciplined, you know. Got to be careful. Don't want to like, you know, just over trade for no reason. Cuz you guys, I know like I've said this before, but I hate taking more trades than I need to. 5 trades within a day, like I've never done that. I have never done that since August, bro. It's usually three or like, yeah, it's, I think the three is max, but five is crazy. But it's not like I took 5 trades to get $381. I took 5 trades to get myself back up to this. So yesterday could have been like a good $500 day, and you know, we just totally freaked out. Monday was a good day. Today is a definitely very good day. I'm proud of and happy today. So yeah, uh, this week is starting off strong. I'm praying and I'm hoping and I'm trusting myself to just totally like uh passed this funded this week, like passed this combine this week, cuz I've already done my own mock-up combine. As you guys know, I've already done my own mock-up combine. So if I could pass it within a week with the same rules, nothing changing, like just the same rules, same scenario, all that, then I can definitely do it again. It's just a matter of psychological and seeing the money move, like, cause I haven't seen the money like move up like that, like move up and down and seeing the digits change. So it's been a while since like August I've seen money move like that, and to say the least, it's definitely a little scary. But I still, I gotta overcome that fear, and yeah. So anyway, today was a good day. We did great. Um, I got nothing else to say, man. My throat is hurting a little bit. I think I'm sick. Somebody definitely had the plague at that Cardi party, or Cardi concert, Cardi party. But yeah, man, just take it easy, guys. I'll see y'all like fucking tomorrow, I guess. At work or something. Peace out, man.